to my IKEA vlog. I'm just standing outside. This is a beautifully done place, and I'm really excited to see what the hype is about, and I'm just really excited to go. My first impressions of this place, it's so quiet, neat, beautifully done, and I mean the mountains, they just have my heart. And temperature is, I would say, pretty hot. It's hot enough. We are just about 60 minutes in, and I really feel so overwhelmed with the amazing options they have to offer. And it's crazy, it's amazing, I love it. And I'm really, I'm just feeling like, oh wow, why did I not come sooner? Let's see. It's around 2 o'clock and we just had some food. I had many expectations when I was coming here that food is amazing and oh my god, so many things. But it's the most disappointing thing I have ever eaten. Like, it's not good, it's not good quality, it doesn't taste that great, it's not fresh, it's pretty much like dead food. But anyway, I mean, you know, the desserts and food are disappointing, but at least what we came here for is pretty okay as of now. Right now it's around 4 in the evening. I am so tired. This property, this place is humongous. It's huge, and I just want you to know that if you're coming here, please carry your food, please carry your water. And right now we are just in this section. This is like a self-service section wherein you can get, let's say, things like wall lamps, you can get shelving units, and you can get like planters for your home. You can get like dried grasses and plants and artificial plants and just like basic home decor stuff. And yeah, that's the update. It's इस वक्त शाम के 5:30 बज रहे हैं. आप देख सकते हैं सन इज़ ऑलमोस्ट सेटिंग एंड ओ माई गॉड, आई sat on something after hours and I'm just feeling so excited, exhausted, tired, satisfied. I'm just feeling like, you know, pool and an ocean of emotions. And I had leg workout yesterday and it was pretty intense, so I'm experiencing all of the DOMs today. But I think I got so much of my stuff that I always wanted. Even though this apartment that we are going to stay in is not going to be for a longer period of time, it is pretty temporary that way. And would I recommend you to come here and, you know, just have a look around? Absolutely yes. Make sure that it's, you know, you have good amount of time when you drop by and just come around, chill. just see anything that you like. You can also sort of surf through the website, and then if you like a product, or if you, let's say if you like a planter, and if you want something in a similar size and dimension, you can just come here. You can ask the staff and they can help you with that. I think staff is very friendly. They were all very, 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 very coordinating and helpful, and no one was guiding us about wrong things. So I really feel it was worth my time, effort, money and energy to come here. And the most disappointing thing about IKEA is their food. I was not feeling well in my digestion for at least 2 or 3 hours, and that is something that never happens with me. I mean, if you know me, you know I take a lot of care, and I don't experience such discomforts because I'm always eating in boundaries that I've created for myself. But food was very honestly very, 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 very bad. I'm not the kind to degrade anyone, but this was pathetic. And I hope you don't have to experience something similar. But yeah, I'll catch you guys soon. Thank you so much for watching the vlog. I love you. Bye.